Hey guys, today I will tell you how to add Tron to your MetaMask wallet. So first of all, open the MetaMask app on your phone. Make sure it is the latest version. Now log into your account. You will see the home page. Now click the drop down button at the top. Then click add network. You will see a new page. Tron Network is not listed there, but you can add Tron tokens. First choose BNB Smart Chain from the drop down at the top. If it is not selected, click the drop down and pick BNB Smart Chain. Then click on import tokens. In the search bar type Tron. Okay, you may not see TRX. So to fix this, click custom token at the top. Now you need the Tron token address. Open your web browser. Search for CoinMarketCap TRX. On the TRX page, scroll down to find the address. Okay, now copy it. Go back to MetaMask and paste the address. Now in the token symbol, type TRX. Now click import at the bottom right. This way you add Tron to MetaMask. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.